So how do you get a virus on a Wii? To get a virus often involves an elevated level of ignorance or stupidity. And you see, when I was 12, I downloaded Toy Story 3, the movie, in its entirety 2 years before it was released to the public. So as you can imagine, it's pretty hard for me to get viruses, being this tech wizard. It did seem like maybe it was Toy Story 2 in French, but I was downloading the future. Who am I to judge that? So basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make every reasonable effort to download 100 viruses onto this Wii.
Look how jovial and youthfully ignorant I was.
It's got the yellow goo on it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the yellow goo is.
I genuinely believed that I was just about to go and try and illegally download Toy Story 7 or something.
The sound!
And just see what happens.
Flicker. Uh-oh. We got some flicker on this bad boy already.
But when I realized that wouldn't work,
Hackaroonies. We gotta hackaroony it. Paste it there. Boom.
I ended up going down a hole.
We're hacking. Eject. If you don't eject, then the SD card will give you rabies when you pull it out. Right now, in the future, I'm getting sued by Nintendo. Put that into the front of the Wii. Stay away from the goop. Don't touch the goop. Ain't nobody know whose little brother put that there. It's like he threw up on it. Why does it throw up on it, man?
A deep,
It says this file is dangerous.
dark
I do not trust this. Alright, so this website's in German.
Wii
Oh man, bonus virus!
of doom.
What does that mean? 17,000 viruses. And then at the end, we're gonna play this. Cabela's Big Game Hunter 2010. And see if the viruses impede our experience. Okay. It's been some time now. Look at this, Sudoku. That's not a virus. Download. Port of Cave Store? Yeah. Pedro Wii? Yeah, man. You see, like...
Once your Wii is jailbroken, you get access to this like third-party market of
Homebrew browser works first.
random software
Neverball? Download.
from random dudes.
Whoa. Dude, I'm gonna outdo Linus's pi calculation with 50 Wiis. Pedro has your phone number. Nice. I got Pedro Wii.
That you can download directly to your Wii
What? Make your Wii disk drive light glow? Yeah.
from the World Wide Web, baby.
My brother.
Oh, and it's all free. It's all free.
It's not a virus. They just did it out of the kindness of their heart.
And you know what has a robust antivirus system?
Play online chess from a Wii? That's pretty sick.
Not the Wii. This was never supposed to be a thing.
High-speed racing? Yeah. Spinning donut for your Wii? Static on your Wii, dude. Yeah, man. You get one of those? Little virus static? We can run them, baby.
you got a CPU and a custom hacked operating system with
Bouncing logo screensaver. I'm kind of scared, dude. That's kind of sick. Okay? But the
unfettered access to your Wi-Fi network running executables
is there a chance it's on my network, in my stuff? Maybe.
from random sources on the internet
What's Dan?
without a single layer, a single shrapnel.
What's this gonna do? It's just gonna show my social security number. Open. What does that mean?
Of security involved.
Oh, Space Cadet Pinball? Let's freaking go! You want a funny donut picture and you want me to have all of the information of everything that's attached to your network? I've got your phone number.
I'm not a cybersecurity analyst or anything. I just think maybe that isn't.
5 megabyte Barbie game, baby. 2022, someone's making a Wii game?
That's probably not a good idea. A lot of red flag trigger words for my normal gamer brain.
It's freaking mining for Bitcoin with my Wii right now, man. I know it. Let's freaking go. This isn't a virus. Subtract one. This one was a lie. All these emulators just baked in, dude. That's pretty sick. Dude. N64 emulator? PC Engine emulator? Wait, what? What is that?
At about this same age where I was not illegally downloading Pixar movies, I'd ride the school bus and I'd get the very far back seat to make sure the driver didn't see me. From my backpack, I'd pull out an action figure and some fishing line.
This is basically making the Wii function as a DOS computer.
And I'd tie up the toy in the fishing line. I saw it on Napoleon Dynamite, right? I'd hold onto one end of the string.
Oh my goodness.
And then I'd chuck it out the window. And the bus would get going like 50 miles an hour, so this thing was going. This thing was bouncing, baby.
Here we go. No way, right? No way I can just plug in a keyboard.
I didn't get it then. I didn't know why I did it, really. It was just like the toy would get destroyed. I liked to watch it get destroyed. What was I going to do with it otherwise? The fun I was having was more important to me than the thing I wouldn't get to have anymore. But I get it now. It was the adventure. I liked the adventure.
Oh! No way! Alright, I clicked a lot of sketchy stuff up there. Hacked that. Close up of the goop. The Wii can't run new viruses, but it can run old viruses, and I found the freaking mega load. 7 years ago, this guy.
Dude, digital archivist? 17,000 viruses for MS-DOS.
DOS is like Windows before it was Windows.
Mod is deleted, and they're like, I don't know if we should even let this be here.
Theoretically, if I could install a version of Windows from the mid-90s onto the Wii,
It'll translate the viruses from running on DOS to running on Goopy Wii.
Just download the viruses and change all of the file extensions because they like neutered them, so you unneuter them. Is it doing all of them? Dude, this is 17,000 of them? Dude, it's working. It's stinking working. I have 17,000 viruses from 1993. What is it gonna do on a Wii? Is it gonna kill the Wii? What did they even do back in 1993? They're like stealing people's home address or something? Bomb? Brian? The Brian virus. Stinking Brian. I'm only in the B's. Diabolical. First virus. The first freaking virus the world has ever seen, dude. They ain't run this on bare metal in like decades. Literally decades. Theoretically, I can run them all on a Wii and then see if it impedes upon my Cabilla's Big Game Hunter 2010 experience.
Dude, I'm gonna transition to a sponsor now or something. This is what I do for a living, so.
all right, guys, if you watch this sponsored segment, I will show you all of my political views at the end of a future video. I will be checking.
The other day, Olivia said to me, why can't I find out what happened on the news without someone implying that I'm stupid if I don't agree with them? The next morning, I found out about the sponsor of the video, which is Straight Arrow News. It's all about bringing you unbiased, balanced news designed for educating in a trustworthy way and not just getting you to doom scroll some like clickbait articles until you're frothing with anger like you just woke up from a 2 p.m. nap. I just want to know what's happening, man. No circus, just facts, with a freshly redesigned app for a better way to find the news that you want to see. See, I think most people now understand that rage baiting people makes a lot of money because then you have their attention. And we're kind of fed up with that and the drama of this like reality show that is news now. So if you're looking for fact-first reporting that respects your intelligence, check out Straight Arrow News. Go to san.com/basically homeless. You can use my link in the description. It directly supports the channel. I personally find it a refreshing way to stay updated without all the clickbait. There's this like media mist tab that'll show like what's being reported on and not reported on by each party, which is kind of crazy. I think you guys will like it, so thank you to Straight Arrow News for sponsoring the video.
So I had 17,000 viruses
In one click.
on my personal laptop.
Oh man, this is my laptop of the way. Oh, got it!
All I had to do to install them on the Wii was get some version of Windows running on the Wii.
Powering on, touch the goop. I touched the goop.
With this homebrew version of DOSBox, theoretically, it could be done. But after scouring the actual archives of the internet for hours, what I had here was the Windows installer running.
Windows for Workgroups 3.11.
Or rather, frozen.
Analyzing running software. Let's just see what it does for a sec.
See, I know it's shocking, but there's actually not much online support for getting viruses from 1993 to run on a DOS compatibility layer of Windows 3.1 on the Wii. For whatever reason, the Wii wouldn't accept any keyboard commands from me.
I feel like I need an ancient keyboard.
Probably because it's a Wii and it doesn't have any drivers, I don't know. This meant whatever I wanted to execute in the DOS environment layer or whatever, which in this case was the Windows 3.1 setup commands, I had to type them onto a text file on the SD card that went into the front of the Wii, and then basically hope I got them right. To make it worse, the Wii CPU, also shocking, I know.
All right, I did a bunch of weird stuff. Let's see what happens. I gotta drink some water. I'm freaking...
It's painfully slow, and obviously not designed for Windows, so I had to hope I got the commands right.
I don't know if this is gonna do it.
Put that into the SD card, put that into the Wii, and then wait. And wait. Sometimes 20 minutes. One time I waited an hour. And then just try again.
All right, this has gotta be the one.
Redo it. And try again and again.
Attempt number 700.
And then just wait. I persisted. I was patient and I persisted.
Reading setup.
For the sake of all that is fun,
Attempt number 98.
I pressed on.
Windows setup. It says something different. It just says Windows setup. So maybe I give it like This could be it. This could start doing it.
I pressed on.
Windows 3.1 on a Wii.
Oh, it's like flickering because I overclocked it, bro. I overclocked the CPU cycles.
Until finally,
This might be it this time.
finally, like a hero rising from the ashes,
I'm being really patient.
like an ancient text being rediscovered from the bottom of the sea.
Please wait while setup checks your hard disk for previous versions. It's working.
Error occurred.
After one more goop touch
I have touched the goop on the power button numerous times.
and config file change, line by line, in front of my eyes,
This is it.
I saw it. The Windows 3.1 logo. No freaking way! On the screen, running on the Wii. Tied up in fish line, ready to be thrown out the window.
Bro! Bro! Does the keyboard work? File manager. No freaking way. No. No! The viruses, they're there. Okay.
12 layers of like program translation happening. Almost as you might hope, just opening the folder of 17,000 viruses crashed the Wii.
I heard a sound.
So things got serious, and I installed the Wii Motion Plus.
No way. No way. I'm using Wii Motion Plus on Microsoft, DOS, Windows 3.1, I don't know what to call it, installed on a Wii.
In order to run the viruses, I carefully selected batches of them so that it wouldn't crash the
I
systems.
just click right here with my Wii remote. I don't have enough dedicated WAM.
Dedicated wham.
We're going crazy, so we're gonna need this. I've gathered what I believe look the scariest of all the viruses, starting with dumb. Running. What did it say? Dude, they work? They freaking work! Okay, time to move on to Ebola. This application has violated system integrity.
The fact that they were running at all on a Wii was just baffling to me.
Windows, look, Ebola is running. Let's do Ebola 2.
A lot of these viruses would either bug out completely
Hackmaster 1. What did it do?
or just shut the Wii down.
Dude, did it kill it? Jesus virus. It's making sounds.
But other ones would just work.
Oh!
Like the original author of the virus
Ran an
intended.
ambulance across the screen and I can't get it.
These viruses definitely weren't harmless. This one apparently would like search your phone lines and actually dial 911, but it was nothing like the viruses we have today. Nobody's trying to steal your identity, scam your grandma. They were just like programs for fun. Somebody who made something and just wanted others to see it.
All right, Skynet is running. Oh! No freaking way! Terminator message? Don't be afraid. I'm a very kind virus. You have do many works today? Slow down. Have a nice day. Goodbye. I just ran 1993 Skynet, designed for MS-DOS, on a Wii. Oh! Glunk! Oh, double! Go for a double! Went for a double there. That's just like in real life where you just pop rounds off at them. Yeah, just like real life. You just dash it off your face and then stand up and freaking shotgun it. Yeah, man. I love hunting. Hunting is so cool. Get out of here, dude. You tap A a bunch and then stand up. Ah. Bah, 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 bah. Yeah, man. This is like real hunting.
We're watching, Nicholas.
Just passing through.
No matter what I run, Terminator's there. In its memory. Even if I reboot.